Good day everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to mosaic images in ERDAS Imagine. Essentially, to mosaic images means to combine multiple adjacent images to form a single image. For example, I have these multiple images, about 4 digital elevation models, which are adjacent to each other. So to mosaic them means I want to combine the 4 of them together to form a single image. Now to do that, let's go to ERDAS Imagine. In ERDAS Imagine, the first thing to do is to bring in those images you want to mosaic. And one thing to keep in mind is that the images you want to mosaic must be in the same coordinate system. So to get started, open your ERDAS Imagine, then just right click at the view and click on Open Raster Layer. Then navigate to your folder where you have your images. So I want to navigate to my recent folder. Here are my images. So I'll select all. Then I will click on OK. It will create pyramid for all of them and add it to my view. So the uploading is in progress. Yes, they have been uploaded, so I can dismiss this notification and close this process list. Then I can just right click and fit to frame. So you can see I have these 4 adjacent images. You can see them, they are individual tiles of digital elevation model, and also keep in mind they are adjacent to each other. So essentially, the mosaicing process is all about combining these different images together to form a single image. And this is very useful when you are working in a study area that cut across multiple tiles of image. So therefore, mosaicing becomes very important. To start the mosaicing process, make sure you come to raster. Come to raster and click on mosaic. Then click on Mosaic Pro. This will open this Mosaic Pro page. If it is displaying like this and you can't see the menu on top, just click and drag to adjust it. Yes, you can see it has been adjusted such that you can see the tools in the Mosaic Pro page. Then the first thing to do here once you open the Mosaic Pro page is this. Come to this icon, which is display add images dialog. What that means is that you want to bring in the images you want to mosaic. So click on it. It will bring this add image page. Then navigate to your folder and you can see my images here. So I will select all the images I want to mosaic. Then I will click on OK. So what that does is that it brings all the images to this interface, though you will only see the names of the images and the demarcation of the images. You can't see the image or view it as it is. The next step is to automatically generate seam line for intersections. So which means all the intersection of these images, you want to generate seam line for them. So to do that, come to this icon and click on it. So it will open this seam line generation option. Let me bring this up here. So you have different method here. We have the weighted seam line, we have Mosaic seam line, we have geometric based seam line, and we have overlay based seam line. So choose the one you want to go with. So I'm going with overlay based seam line. I'll select it and click on OK. You'll note that the color of the demarcation between the images has turned to blue. The next step is to choose the image resample method. So to do that, come here and choose this icon, which is display image resample option dialog. When you click on it, it will open the image resample options. Here we have different method of resampling. If I click here, you can see the nearest neighbor, you can see bilinear interpolation, you can see cubic convolution, and you can see bicubic spline. But we are going with nearest neighbor. I'll click to select it and click on apply. The next step is to select or set the overlap and seamline functions. So to do that, come to this function, click on it. It will open the seamline function. In mosaicing, the smoothing options must be no smoothing and no rendering. So come here, make sure you select no smoothing and also select no filtering. Then click on OK. The next step now is to run the mosaicing to generate our outputs. So to do that, come to this very option, which is run the mosaic process to disk. Click on it. It will open this output file option. Then navigate to your working folder and give it a name, that is output name. So in this case, let me call it mosaic dem. Then the file type will be TIF. Then click on OK. So the mosaicing process is ongoing and it will take just few seconds to about a minute to run it. It's computing the pyramid layers for the mosaic dem. So the process of mosaicing is completed. So you can now click on dismiss and close this page. Then we can minimize this and then open another view. To open another view, come to home and click on add view. Click on create new 2D view. Yes, we have created a new view. So we can right click on the first view and fit to frame. So this is the 4 different types of images we mosaic. Now we need to bring in the new one we have mosaic in the new view. To do that, right click here and click on open raster layer. Then navigate to the folder where you saved the mosaic. And in this case, this is it, mosaic dem. Select it and click on OK. Yes, here is it. Now right click and fit to frame. You can see it. You can see that the 4 images we started with are the one displayed in the first view. And after mosaicing, it has combined all the 4 together to form a single image without any demarcation or traces of the boundaries. So this is how to mosaic satellite images in ERDAS Imagine. If you have questions or you encounter problem when practicing, let's know in the comment section. We'll be very willing to assist you. Thank you for watching.